welcome back to my channel. I hope the background isn't too much for you guys. I've been trying really hard to find a good spot to film where the lighting is okay and the sound is okay. But today's video is going to be another unboxing, and I know you guys have been wanting more content from me, and trust me, it's coming, don't worry. But today is going to be another unboxing, and I'm going to try and be as informative as possible because this brand is fairly new to me. So I try to do my research, and I'm going to try to be as informative for you guys. So yeah, let's just get started. Alright, so this is what I'm going to be unboxing for you guys today. This was sent to me by Skinstar, and I'm super excited because there's just so much stuff in here, guys. Like, this is like a legit PR package, and I must say the packaging outside and inside is just, it's legit. From what I understand, Skinstar is a beauty subscription service exclusively for content creators or beauty influencers. So what they'll do is, or at least the process is, you apply and they basically give the okay whether or not they want you to promote their products or not. So they work with a lot of beauty brands that are, I would say, like up and coming skincare brands, and so they'll send you these products in exchange for your review or content or whatever you want to produce for them. So that's pretty much it. So when you open the box, it looks like this, and it has a little pamphlet or brochure on all the products that are included in the box, and the products vary month to month. So every month is going to be different products. And then here, as you can see, it says tips for unboxing. So you know already that this is made specifically for content creators. So if you open it, it has two products here already, and then the rest of the products are in this little baggie. So I'm just gonna whip all of the products out and then show you guys one by one. Oh, that hurt. All right, so I have the two products that were on the left side of the box, and then the little baggie that was on the right side of the box. But I'll go through these two first. This one is Pure Heals by Nature Village, and this is the Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask, and it's jiggly like jam. Oops, I grabbed too much. It smells like very like herbal, like tea. But basically what this does is you just put it on before bed, and it's supposed to moisturize your skin. And if you don't know already, propolis is very good and active ingredient in moisturizing your skin. So next we have from BRTC, and I don't know what that means. This is the Centella Cica. Is that how you pronounce it? Cica toner pads. So this is how the packaging looks like. I am a big fan of toner pads because I just feel like it's just so convenient. Here's how it looks like. And it doesn't have like a very acidic smell to it, surprisingly, because that's what I was like kind of hoping for. Ooh, there is a lot of product on here. Hello, I might have to, you might be able to use this more than once. I almost dropped it. I'm gonna put this back in here because, I don't know, call me gross, but I just don't want to waste it. So it looks like there's 80 pads in here, and it says that it's vegan friendly. So here you go for all you vegans out there. Also, if you have sensitive skin, this product is recommended. So now we're gonna move on to the little baggie. I'm just gonna pick one at random. Okay, this is from, I want to pronounce it CLIV, and this is the Ginseng Berry Premium Cream. So it looks like this cream helps promote skin elasticity, reduces wrinkles and saggy skin. So here's a close-up. Look how bougie this packaging is. I feel like red is just such like I don't know, like a bougie color. But wow. Okay, and again it has another lid on top, which I very much appreciate. Oh, why? Okay. I'm okay. I got it all over my carpet. So here's how the product looks like. It smells like toothpaste. Probably not something I'd wear during the summer, but definitely all other seasons. Next product is gonna be this Pore Clear Black Charcoal Cleansing Foam from Pure Heals by Nature Village. Here's the packaging. This cleansing foam contains real charcoal powder that purifies skin, and the patented botanical ingredient calms and tightens pores. Here's how the tube looks like. So as you can see, it's a dark charcoal color. I'm not gonna squeeze any because I don't wanna waste product. And this came right on time because I needed a new cleanser. Next, we have from essenHERB. This is the Tea Tree Ampoule. Here's the packaging. And here is the product. So this comes with 1.69 fluid ounces, and it's supposed to help soothe sensitive skin and control sebum. So that's how it looks like. It has a really watery consistency to it. So next we have from BRTC again. This is the Ampoule BB Cream for intensive treatment, and it says it's a BB cream that enhances the elasticity and glow of the skin. And it also has SPF of 37. I'm all about, you know, combination products. So if it's BB cream and a sunscreen for your skin, I am down with that. It's very creamy, and it might be, I don't know, it might be too dark for me. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. So that's how that looks like. And it comes with 45 grams of product. So we're finally down to the last product, and this is from essenHERB again. This is their black tea scrub. So this is how the packaging looks like. And I love that it has the key features on the label. And it looks like this. And for me, it's just so satisfying. Like, look at how perfect the product like sits in the container. I don't know, so satisfying for me. But the purpose of the scrub is to remove dead skin cells and any waste that's on your skin while providing nutrients to make the skin clear and smooth. So those are all the products that were included in my Skin Star box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will try and leave all the links down below in the description box to the products that I mentioned, so that way you guys can try and get your hands on them. But a special thank you to Skin Star for sending me all these products to unbox for you guys. I had such a good time. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!